Prime Focus, the first thing you think about is the man behind it or the men behind it. Earlier it was Naresh ji who started it, and then of course Namit took over. And what a way he took over. A son who every father should be proud of. He's a visionary. He's the one who's given meaning to post-production in our country.
Prime Focus should be remembered for its warm group of people.
And I truly believe that their success lies in the aspect of them not having to say no for anything. They've been able to achieve, they're able to go, because you can achieve everything. You can achieve technology, you can achieve the best of machines, you can best of things, but you cannot achieve humanity. And Prime Focus believes in that aspect of the human touch and human contact. People. And that comes from Naresh ji.
I think people will remember Prime Focus for being able to fulfill their dreams through the technology.
Wherever we had some SOS calls, we always called Namit, and he's always helped us.
I think what makes Prime Focus really unique is the audacity of its aspirations. I think from the time that it started out to where it is today just means that the people behind the company were not afraid to dream big.
It's what Indians are doing in the world now. So he's a representation of what Indians are achieving in the world in every field, and he's one of the first Indian to come out and achieve this in the field of cinema and film technology.
Namit constantly telling me is encouraging me to push the envelope cinematically.
He would lose sleep if he couldn't solve that problem, I mean, I think that's what's wonderful about him and his company is they will lose sleep about it.
First thing, I see 4 faces: Namit, Prakash, Huzi and Merzan.
I think these people are extremely unique and special to the business.
Their creative ability to take a project and make it better than what you thought it would be is what attracted me the most.
I have never heard something called no from any of the team members, and that makes it a special relationship.
Come on guys, let's celebrate when you're 50. So much success and onwards. I think that's what Prime Focus needs to go, onwards.
Glorious 16 years in the line. Best of luck. God bless you, Namit, and the whole Prime Focus team. And it's always been a pleasure working with you guys. Take care, dude.